Hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to Joshi Tutorials. You see, this is continuation. That is, I think so. The last exercise 3.5 is excluded, deleted. I have told you already. So 3.6 exercise linear pair of equation in two variables is continued. This is the last exercise. Now, out of which this is the first main. First main consists of 8 sums. Right? All are little bit similar. But however, so I am carrying out starting with the first one. What the title of the question says in all the 8, solve the following pair of equations. This is one pair, one more I have to write it. By reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Understood? I have written only one more I will write it, don't worry. So what is the title says? Title is, there is a pair of linear equation is given. So each pair of equation as it is you cannot solve it, but you have to reduce it. That means you have to simplify it, then you have to bring it into the general form, thereby you have to solve it by elimination method. Understood? So let me just write this equation, right? One more equation. Okay, see here, this is what is the second one. So this forms a pair of linear equations, right? First one is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, the first equation. Second one, 1 upon 3 by x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Now what we have to do? We have to reduce this to the general form of a linear pair of equations in two variables. Then we have to solve it using the elimination method. Right? Okay. So the solution here is, you see how you can reduce this or simplify this. Reducing in the sense bringing it into the general form, or say the standard form of an equation which you have learned in the beginning of the chapter. Right? That is in the introduction part of it. Right, okay, see here. This can be written as how? First equation, I will reduce the first one, thereby go for second one. 1 by 2x can be written as 1 by 2 into 1 by x. Understood? 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into x is 2x. So this can be split and written. This step is for your understanding. You can omit, means skip this step, directly go for second one, provided you are little bit skillful in solving the or fast in solving the sums. It is for your understanding purpose I am writing this. Similarly, this can also be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by y is equal to, this is okay too. Right. Now you see here, in both the equations, here also 1 by x, here also 1 by x, here also 1 by y, here also 1 by y. That means we can just put, let 1 by x is equal to a, small letter a you can take, p you can take, q you can take, m you can take, n you can take, xy you don't take because already x and y variables are used in this case. So 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now you substitute a and b wherever 1 by x is there and 1 by y is there. See here, this is half. In this case I am substituting it. 1 by x means what? A. That means write a plus 1 by 3 into, what is 1 by y? 1 by y means b. That means into b is equal to what? 2. Right. Now you simplify. A into 1 is what? A by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to what? 2. You can skip this step, I said. What? This step. Let, you have to write the first step, directly you can write this. Okay. Now we have to simplify by LCM method. Now here it is 2 and 3. That means what? 6 is the LCM. 2 3s are and 3 2s are. That means 3 into A is 3A plus 2 into B is 2B divided by your LCM 6, which is equal to, this is 2. Now you cross multiply. 6 into 2 in the next step. 6 into 2 is 12. This is as it is. 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 into 2 is 12. If any cancellation is possible or anything that you can take it common here, you can still reduce this. But in this case, not possible. So this becomes our first equation. That means which is in the general form, right? You have to write this 12, it becomes minus 12. That is actually the general form. But let it be in this form only. Now similarly we have to reduce even the second equation. How to reduce even this? Similarly, second equation, it can be written as 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equal to 13 by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Now substitute the values for x and y. 1 by 3 into 1 by x means a plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y means b is equal to 13 by 6. Now again the next step is a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now in this case also 6 is LCM. Here 3 2s are and here 2 3s are. 2 into a is 2a plus 3 into b is 3b. Whole thing divided by your LCM 6, which is equal to 13 by 6. You can cancel these 6 ones or 6 ones are. Because both are in the numerator, equal sign is here in between and both are same. That means like term, positive integers. 6 ones or 6 ones, you can cancel it. Now here your equation becomes 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. This is what? This is your first equation and this is your second equation. Right. Now what we have to do? Using these two equations by elimination method, we have to solve it. Next step. So solving equations 1 and 2. Right. We have to solve the equation 1 and 2. What the equation 1 says? 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Next one is 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. You see here there are two methods to solve this equation, further steps. One is you have to choose which one you have to eliminate. You want to eliminate method A or you want to eliminate method B. If you want to eliminate A, multiply the second equation by 3, multiply the first equation by 2. Same way if you want to eliminate B, use the same thing. Or else, one more method is, see here, one more method what I am saying is only in such cases where the coefficients are interchanged. Here B coefficient is 2 but A coefficient is 2. Here A coefficient is 3 but here B coefficient is 3. In such cases only, because I tell you here 100A plus 200B is equal to say about 500. Here 200A plus 100B is equal to 600. Just an example it is. You see here again interchanging, isn't it? In such cases, here you can use the elimination method. Take this coefficient here, multiply, and this 3 multiply the second equation. Right? But in this case, see, 100 suppose you want to take it, the number will be huge, isn't it? In such cases, you can go in for the second method, for which fortunately I got this equation in this form. So I am giving you understand solving it by that method, other method, right? So what I will do here, I will just add them first. That is 5a 3 plus 2 plus 5b plus 3 plus 2 5 2. See here 5 can be taken out common. That means what? You can just take out 5 common here. This becomes a plus b which is equal to 25. Carry 5 ones are 5 5s are. Your equation is still reduced. That is a plus b is equal to 5. Right? Similarly, one time you have added, isn't it? Now you have to subtract. That means write down here 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. 2a plus 3b is equal to 30. Now to subtract you have to change the signs. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. 3 minus 2a is a, greater number is having plus sign. Here 3 minus 2 is again a but greater number is having minus sign. Therefore it is minus b is equal to here also minus because greater number is having minus sign. This is 1. So this is what is your second equation. Understood? This is first and this is second. Now you can easily solve out this. Very simple. That means a plus b is equal to 5. A minus b is equal to minus 1. See here. Plus b minus b. Straight away you can cancel. Now this is a plus a, 2a is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means your a value is 2. Understood? This method you have to use where the numbers are used and the coefficient of first equation, second equation, first term, second terms are interchanged. In such cases only you use. Otherwise the general method, that is elimination method, right? Okay. Now what is a here? A is equal to 2. We are repeating this. A is equal to 2. What is a? Our a means 1 by x. That means substitute for a. Here 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. Nothing is there in denominator 1. Okay, cross multiply. What is this? Send this x here. 2, let me bring this side. Right. That means here x is equal to, or one more step is 1 is equal to 2x. Therefore, your x is equal to 1 by 2 is your answer. X value is 1 by 2. Now, use any one of the method here. Now, your a value is 2. Choose this one of the equation, simplest one. Find what is b and substitute for b, find y. Okay, I will use this a minus b is equal to minus 1. Here, what is our a value? 2. Put a value here. 2 minus b is equal to minus 1. Send this b to right hand side. Bring this minus 1 to left hand side. Both becomes plus. 2 plus 1 is equal to b. That means your b value is 3. Understood? This is not our answer. What is b? B is nothing but here 1 by y. Substitute for b. That means 1 by y is equal to 3. Again send this y to that side. Bring this 3 to LHS. In that case what happens? Y is equal to 1 by 3. This is what is your y value. So your x value is 1 by 2. Your y value is 1 by 3. You can check the textbook answers. Same things are there. Now just note a point. Then I will go for second one.